SCCL's coal production and coal dispatches have dropped sharply, mainly because of heavy monsoon rains and flooding. This decline is now affecting power supply commitments, planning for the coming months, and SCCL's target of 72 million tons for 2025-26. This company needs support and quick decisions to recover from these setbacks. At the same time, key expansion projects such as the Kottagudem, VK open cast mine and JK OCP and Gundala projects in Illandu are still waiting for approvals from different authorities. These delays are slowing down SCCL growth and also affecting coal availability for the southern region, sir. Sir, as the company expands, safety, efficiency and environmental protection must be the top priorities. Workers are demanding better monitoring systems, modern machinery and faster clearance so that mining is both safe and sustainable, sir. There is also discussion about SCCL rapid diversification into rare earths, critical minerals, battery storage, pumped hydro, wind energy and geothermal energy. The company needs clear support from the union government to move confidently into these new sectors. And some even speak of an SCCL Videsh model in the future, sir. Sir, workers also worried about talk of a possible disinvestment public issue in 2026. Finally, SCCL officers are still not receiving their performance-related pay (PRP) on par with Coal India Limited. Even though the government India holds 49% stake, this delay is disappointing and demoralizing for officers who work hard to maintain India's energy security. Through this House, I request the Union Government to take urgent steps to support SCCL Singareni Collieries Company Limited. Its production, its workers, its finance and its news diversification plan, sir. Thank you, sir. This is the situation, sir, in Telangana.
Mamta Meghanta.